Whales. They are by far the largest animals on Earth. The blue whale is very likely even the largest animal to have ever lived. That a lot of people have a fascination with whales is therefore not really surprising. So whenever somewhere a whale is washed up on the shore, even if it's dead, you can expect that it will attract many bystanders. The chance to safely gaze at one of these giants and even inspect them up close is something that people typically don't want to miss out on. But in actuality, it's not as safe as it might seem. At any time, an explosive rupture of the whale's body can spread several tons of internal matter in a fraction of a second at a speed of up to 70 km per hour over 50 meters across the beach. Especially if someone decides to poke the carcass, tries to move or even climb on it. But what causes this phenomenon? When a whale dies and the blood circulation and the respiration stop, its body has no way of removing excess carbon dioxide and other waste products, which causes an acidic environment in the cells. As a result, the cells lose their structural integrity and their membranes rupture, which causes the animal's tissues to break down. Additionally, bacteria naturally present in the respiratory and gastrointestinal tract start to proliferate, consuming the body's carbohydrates, lipids and proteins. This process is referred to as putrefaction and causes organ liquefaction and the accumulation of a variety of gases, like carbon dioxide, methane and nitrogen. These gases then build up inside the animal, which causes the cadaver to bloat, sometimes to twice its original size. At some point, when the pressure gets too high, fluids and gases are forced to escape from natural orifices such as mouth or anus. Sharks can also contribute to the creation of these sorts of weak points. These processes aren't just present in whales. The buildup and subsequent release of gas happens with most animals as they decompose, even in humans, but it's usually fairly unspectacular. What makes it so extreme and potentially dangerous in whales simply has to do with their size. More mass means more gas, and therefore bigger pressure. Additionally, a thick layer of blubber beneath their skin contains the pressure much better and longer than in other animals. So when a whale beaches and no scavengers can create weak points to relieve the pressure, you can sometimes end up with a spectacularly bloated carcass. The whale's own body weight can even cause orifices to close up, intensifying the problem. At this point, a carefully performed controlled release of the whale's internal pressure by making a shallow slit with a long-handled knife is the best option to avoid an uncontrolled explosion.